In this quick start, we'll walk through a new project type in Supervisely, 3D meshes. They are commonly used across many industries such as medical, industrial, robotics, and others. We'll start by uploading raw mesh files with a simple drag and drop. Once the files are added, Supervisely automatically imports and prepares them for annotation. Next, we'll create a labeling job and assign it to an annotator. The job setup includes many useful options for controlling the annotation workflow. But for this demo, we'll keep it simple and just limit the annotator to use few annotation classes. Now let's move into the labeling interface. Next, I'll grab the Vertex Paint tool. It has a few settings: eraser mode, paint vertex or faces setting, and the brush size. Next, I'll annotate this mesh for an instant segmentation task, although the same approach works for semantic segmentation as well. Once the current mesh is labeled, we'll mark it as annotated and move on to the next item. After the annotator completes his job, a reviewer must validate the created annotations, and after everything is ready, the manager can close the job and view the labeling performance page, which is especially useful for large-scale teams and projects, as it contains numerous insights, metrics, and statistics. Now let's export the data. For the export options, we support two distinct annotation formats. First, you can export to our standard Supervisely format, which is perfect for complete structural backup. Second, we support a native per vertex format. When you choose this option, every single vertex is painted with the precise color of its class, baked into the mesh, which can later be opened in an external application such as Slicer or MATK Workbench and be used for your machine learning pipelines. Also, export to every major cloud storage provider is supported. Try it yourself today. Subscribe for more updates from Supervisely, and we'll see you in the next one.